Hello dear students, today we are going to talk about adaptation in living organisms. What's meant by adaptation? It's a modification in behavior, body structure or organ function of a living organism. Why? In order to become more adapted in the environmental condition where it lives in. According to this definition, we have three types of adaptation: structural adaptation, functional adaptation, and behavioral adaptation. In structural adaptation, for example, horse hoof, camel's pad. Functional adaptation, like secretion of poison in snake and sweating in man. Behavioral adaptation, in case of activity of birds during day and bats during night, as birds migration. Now, let's come to example of adaptation for movement in mammals. All mammals, the upper limbs differ from each mammal to another, as in case of bat, wings limbs are modified into wings. Why? In order to do the function of flying. In whales, it's modified into paddles to can do the function of swimming and diving underwater. In horse, it ends with a strong hoof. Why? In order to walk on rocky soil. But in case of camel, it slims into thick, flat pads. Why? To can walk on hot desert sand. The monkey, its limbs, bones and fingers are elongated. Why? To can catch things and climb trees. Now, let's come to another type of adaptation or another examples of adaptation, which adaptation and nature of foods in birds, in predatory birds, in water birds, in birds which feed on shallow water, worms and snails. We will find that their beaks and legs differ. Say in predatory birds like hawk, its beak are strong, sharp and crooked hooks. Beaks. Why? To can tear its prey's flesh. It has its legs contain 4 fingers with sharp claws, 3 anterior finger and 1 bendable posterior finger. Why? To firm catching the prey. In case of birds that feed on shallow water worms and snails like heron, its beak are long thin beaks to can pick up snails and worms from water. It has long thin legs and fingers to can walk in the presence of water. And the last one, water birds like duck, it can swim in water, so it has palm legs, and its beaks are wide indented. Why? To can filter food from water. At the end of this video, I hope you study well. Good luck, dear students.